Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are checking out this new electric water gun with Rapidfire. Oh yeah! So here's what we got from the box. We have our water magazine. We have a makeshift sight. This is the battery charger. The interface is USB on one end and 2-pin on the other end. This is our rechargeable battery, 500 milliamp per hour, 3.7 volts, lithium ion. Main water gun. We have the red color and some black accents. Let's check the parts of the water gun on the next clip. So we have our water gun here. On the front, this muzzle lights up whenever water is passing through here from our water gun. On top, this is where we attach the included sight. And this part on the back end of the water gun serves as the recoil, because this one moves when you fire the gun using our trigger. So this part should be moving. This is our grip. And down there is our water magazine slot. If you flip it on the right side, this is where we would be connecting our battery, the rechargeable battery which I showed you earlier. So all you need to do is open this one. There's a latch here, and carefully remove this cover like so. And as you can see, that is our battery connector inside. This is where we will be connecting our rechargeable battery. Okay, so now let's go and I'll show you how to recharge our rechargeable battery. So you would know if the battery is already on full capacity when the red light is no longer visible. And this electric water gun is also available in other colors. We have here the red one and the gray version of the water gun. So now we can attach the battery on our water gun. We just have to open this up, this part on the right side of the water gun, and then we connect the battery on the connector the same way we connected the battery on our battery charger. So there we go. They're now connected. So all we need to do is tuck this inside our water gun, like so. There. And then we put the cover back. And there we go. So we can now use our water gun because we have already connected the batteries. So let's try one. Pull the trigger. Let's look at the nozzle first. So that is working. This is the recoil part of the water gun. Let's check it out. So there you go. We have checked and tested that our water gun is working with the battery. So now all we have to do is fill our water magazine with water so we can test it out fully. Let's do it. So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of this electric water gun with Rapidfire. We definitely showed you that this water gun is a lot of fun to play with. The only downside that I can see is the small water gun magazine here, because we always needed to refill the bottle every time, because this runs out fast with water because it is not that big. You have seen our fire testing. The rapid fire feature on this water gun really does add a ton of fun to the play, and I'm not sure if I can go back to the other water guns without the rapid fire after playing with this one. So the price to performance is really good on this specific water gun. So if you have questions or inquiries about this particular water gun which we have reviewed for today, leave a comment down below. We would also put purchase links on our video description if ever you like the water gun here which we have reviewed, and you wanted to purchase one out. There you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, to get notified once we upload another one of our toy reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect. Hadouken!
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.